Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. So today I'm going to show you this really quick tutorial guide on how to boil green banana in its skin. Really simple tutorial. I cannot wait to show you guys, so let's get to it. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a large pot or a large stock pot, some olive oil, some water, and some green banana. Now the amount of green banana that you will need will depend on what you're using it for. I have about 4 fingers of banana there, but if you need more than that, then just use more. If you need less, then you use less. This method is for anybody who does not like to peel green banana and they need it. For example, let's say you're making hard food or ground provisions and you want some green banana on the side, then this method really works well. So hopefully you guys will find it very informative, because if you're like me and do not like to peel green banana or golden plantain, this will work just fine for you. So I have my large pot on the stove. The first thing I'm going to do is just pour in some water, and I want to bring that to boiling point. That's really important that you get it to boiling point. You also at this point are going to add some olive oil. This is going to prevent your pot from staining or basically ruining, so you want to add the olive oil. Do not skip this step. And you can also add some pink salt as well at this point. I don't really add pink salt because it depends on what I'm using the green banana for. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to prepare my hands with some olive oil. So I'm just going to pour a small amount of olive oil on my hands, and this is going to stop any of that sticky residue and any staining that's going to occur on my hands. So you can do that, or you can wear gloves instead. So the next thing we need to do now is we have our green banana. So you're going to get a knife, like a paring knife or a really sharp knife, and you're just going to partially just snip into the top of the green banana. Don't cut the top off completely, just snip into it partially, and then run the knife lengthways down the green banana. And again, you don't want to go too deep into the skin. And then you're going to also cut the tip of the green banana at the bottom as well, and you're going to do that with each of them. So some people say that leaving the skin on is considered lazy, and while I do understand that it might be considered lazy, you lose a lot if you don't like peeling green banana. If you're not good at it, you lose a lot of the flesh. So I like to do this method so I don't lose a lot of the flesh. But alternatively, you know, if you want to just have the green banana and just peel it, then this tutorial guide is not really going to be helpful to you. But I know a lot of people that don't like to cut green banana because they're just not really good at doing it, or they don't like doing it. So this is going to be really helpful for people like that. Also as well, another reason why I do this is that the green banana manages to keep its creamy consistency, creamy color, not consistency. So it's creamy color, and it doesn't turn, it doesn't have that grayish hull when you boil green banana typically in water. So that's another reason why I like to keep it in the skin. So now I'm just going to hover my hand over the saucepan to make sure that it's really hot and it's boiling, and then I'm just going to carefully put the green banana into the pot. You also want to make sure as well that you don't fill the pot too much. So I just filled it by 3/4 and I left a small amount so the green banana is able to rest in the pot and it doesn't overflow. So you want to make sure there's enough water, and also there's not too much water as well. So you're going to leave this now just to boil for, it's going to take about say 25 minutes or so, to about 20-25 minutes. So you want to boil it until it is fork tender, and also the color of the skin will be a dark color as well. So this is what the green banana looks like now. So I'm just going to get my slotted spoon and I'm just going to carefully remove one of the green bananas to show you guys, and use a fork to just prick it to make sure that it is fork tender and soft, and that is what it's like, and that's when you know that it is ready and cooked through. So you want to drain off the water, and then once you do that, you want to leave it to cool down completely before handling them. So you see, I left the top on because I find it easy. You can just use it as like a little lever to remove the skin. You don't have to leave it on, but that's just something that I prefer to do. So do whatever you're comfortable with. So I'm just going to show you guys on camera how I just remove the peel from the green banana, and it really makes it a lot easier. And if you can see as well that the color of the green banana as well, it's more lighter, it's not as dark as you know it when you boil green banana out of the skin. I also like to leave the skin on if I'm not using my green banana straight away. So this is a hassle-free method that I do recommend to people to use, and you know, not to really frown on people who do this method and call it lazy, because I don't really think it's a lazy method. It's just another alternative for boiling green banana, and you still get the same results anyway. So guys, that's how you boil green banana with the skin on. A simple tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the other side.